set a set of goals for yourself, either each day or a week?
Yes, we have. We have our weekly goal, our daily goal. In fact, when you are working in a secretariat, you have to have your quarterly goal and yearly goal as well. You make your quality objective one time a year. Then, as per your objective, you have to define your daily tasks, your weekly tasks, so that at the end of the year, you are where you want to be. So, yeah, it's very important to have your daily goals.
And what do you think are time wasters?
Sometimes, in Pakistan, we linger on so much on, while making or taking any decision. Sometimes, let's say if he's manager administration, he shall be authorized to take every decision which is in the realm of administration.
Right.
But like sometimes taking suggestion from not one but like a group of people can delay the thinking process. So that where in Pakistan we need to speed up the things.
And do you regularly take home work or work home on the evenings or weekends?
Yes, but not every on weekend. Yes, I get myself engaged. Whenever there is something urgent, either I wish or not, I have to be involved. So it's important in Pakistan, in our society, the way we are working, our working pattern is sometimes forced us, compels us to work even when we are home.
And what aspects of time management do you want to improve for yourself?
I wish if I could leave early on time. Usually I can't. Usually I'm always home late. So I would like to leave early on time.
The official timing.
Yes.
And any other comments?
Okay, since we are talking about time, no matter who you are, even if you are president of Pakistan, you are a beggar, whoever you are, God has just given you 24 hours in a day.
Yes.
No matter how special you are, you won't get the 25th hour. So it depends on you that if you manage your time smartly, you can be a leader. You revolutionize the whole thing. But if you cannot manage your own time, you won't be able to master anything. So to manage your time, you first have to know your priorities. You know what is expected and where you want to be. If you don't know that, you won't be able to be anywhere.
Generally, do you think you can accomplish all these goals for a certain week? All the goals for a certain week?
No, I think nobody can set their goals for the every weeks. Day by day, they are change their goals. Might be I think could be a manager of my organization, but it's too difficult to set my goals. There are so many problems. What can I say? That is the management policies and other things are difficult to achieve my goals.
So, do you write a set of goals or tasks for yourself each day?
No, I think I cannot set my goals on every day because there is so many difficulties when I come to office. Thought that I will do something for my office, but due to the heavy work or some other problems, I cannot set my goals for every day.
Do you regularly take work home with you on evening or weekends?
No, I cannot because there is a lot of duty timings in our country. I have to reach at 9 a.m. and I try to go early in the evening, but I cannot. Mostly, I will reach at home after 8 or 8:30. So I cannot set any goal. I cannot give any time to my companions or my parents or my families. I cannot set.
मुझसे इसमें पूछना है कि आप जो है अपने ऑफिस का काम वो घर लेके जाते हैं या नहीं, डेली या वीकली?
I cannot have time क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस का काम घर पे ले जाके कर सकूँ, इतना टाइम ही नहीं बचता है.
What do you think causes them, time wasters?
What is the causes of time wasters? Because they are not, I think simply in word, they are not responsible of their duties or their responsibilities.
what aspects of time management do you most want to improve?
It will be possible if the duty timings are limited from 9 to time, or there is study timings of their students. They are, due to the heavy load of their work or heavy studies, they are they should be reduce their timing or limited their timings, or they are set their goals that I have to reach at 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Then I can do many things for my own, for my parents, or for my companions, or for my country also.
Do you regularly take work home with you, like in the evenings or weekends?
No. Try. No.
No.
No. We finish our work here in the office.
And what do you think are your time wasters?
Not you, but guests. Unnecessary calls, right? Then sometime services availability, and load shedding, thing like that. Sometimes your net is not working, right? Now you want to do an urgent job, there is no electricity, right?
Yes.
And you're handicapped.
And what aspects of time management you most want to improve? Like any area in which time is not managed properly?
Personal.
Personal.
But too much devoted to of office work, right? I think personal time management,
Yes, that will be.
that is required. Anyhow,
Yeah.
any
other comments or thoughts about time management for anyone?
Personal suggestion.
yes, I think time management is your consciousness about and your comprehension about the job you are undertaking, and you estimate its completion. You estimate how much time you complete, right? But if you improve your personal abilities, reading speed, writing speed, right, remembering speed, well, you a personal skill, if you maintain, you get expertise in a computer, right, handling different software, which are aiding to accomplish your job, your task, in a speedy way, in a comfortable way, right? Those are the, I think, effort with which you can improve your time management.